Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Free Fire game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Free Fire game, you will notice that there is no direct option to delete your active account. So in order to delete your account, you will need to contact the support team for Free Fire. So open up the iOS App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Free Fire and start your search. Now, once you find the Free Fire application, tap on it and you will see the application support option. Tap on the drop-down menu alongside and you will find the email address that you can use to contact Free Fire. Directly tap on this email address and you can tap on your email application to send an email to the Free Fire team. Now, within the subject section, you can simply type in delete my account, and then within the main body, you can simply type in that you want your account to be deleted that is associated with the Free Fire account. Make sure to also provide your game ID number and then go ahead and tap on the send button. Once your message has been sent, you might have to wait for a few days until you receive a response from the Free Fire support team. Once you receive your response, you can follow the instructions that you receive within your email to proceed with deleting your account. And there you have it. That is how you can move forward with deleting your account on the Free Fire game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.